Hello, this is Jeff from FunOutfitters.com with your tech tip of the day. Today I'm just going to go over a few things to check when you're doing electrical testing on your snowmobile. You always want to make sure that when you're doing your electrical tests that you check all your connections first to make sure that they are good and solid connections, that your wires aren't loose and your pins are in place and not maybe pushed to the side or loose. You also want to make sure that you check your wiring harnesses for any rub-through spots. Make sure that they've not touched your clutches or hit your exhaust and melted or rubbed through under your gas tank or anything like that. You just want to make sure that before you start doing any of your tests that you check your wiring harness to make sure that there's no bad spots in it that could be causing problem. Another thing you want to do is if you're doing any tests, you want to make sure you have a good multimeter. A good one is a Fluke Model 77 is a good meter for checking any of your resistances, any of your voltages, AC, DC voltage. And also another good thing to have when you're doing your voltage test is a peak reading adapter, which plugs into your Fluke and can read peak voltage coming out of your components in your snowmobile. You just want to make sure that if you check your connections also, that once you check them, make sure they're dry, that you put some dielectric grease into each connection and plug them back in, make sure they're seated well, and the dielectric grease will keep moisture from getting into your connectors. This is Jeff, FunOutfitters.com, Tech Tip of the Day. You can give me a call, 866-531-0123, or look us up on the web at FunOutfitters.com. Thank you.